If you continue to give souls a drop with a remain under your orders. Whatever power you need at a particular time will present itself at that time. It should not be that you order the power of tolerance to come and it comes when the task has been accomplished. So you can use anything that belongs to you as you like and whenever you like. Let every power be ready according to your orders, because each power is a gift from God. Therefore, God's gift has become things that belong to you. So you can use anything that belongs to you as you like and whenever you like. In this way, all of those powers will remain under your orders. All your physical senses will remain under your orders. This is known as being a self-sovereign, a master, almighty authority. Are you Pandavas like this? You are master, almighty authorities and also self-sovereigns. It's not like it came. Don't say that just it came out of your mouth. Who ordered it to emerge like that? I didn't want to look at it, but I looked at it. I didn't want to do it, but it happened. According to whose orders does this happen? Would you call this having a right or being controlled? So become someone who has a right, not someone who is controlled. अच्छा,
पिता सद्गुरु सखा तुम्हें तो एक हमारे हो, शिक्षक तुम्हें, रक्षक तुम्हें, दिल के तुम्हें सहारे हो, मिला सारे रिश्तों का प्यार तुमसे।
ओम शांति। Welcome to Avyakti Parivar. Today is day 14. Be a jewel of contentment. Always remain content and make everyone content. Today's Avyakti signal, an altruistic, innocent attitude and vision. Contented souls would always experience everyone to be altruistic and innocent, free from blame. They would never blame anyone for anything. They wouldn't blame the bestower of fortune, nor the drama, nor any person, or the karmic account of their body, thinking, my body is like this, that way, anyway. They would always have an altruistic and innocent attitude and vision. Now let's listen from Didi.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
सभी संतुष्ट बने हैं।
Is everyone a contented souls? We are all contented souls and we will be contented souls always.
बाबा हम बच्चों को
Baba
असंतुष्ट होने के बहुत सूक्ष्म कारण है।
And Baba tells us that there are many subtle ways that to be not contented, because those who are not contented become disappointed and they lose their happiness. And then within themselves, because of their old sanskars, they keep emerging again and again. So we always say that, we are contented and we think we are contented, but Baba says that if we have to be a jewel of contentment of Baba, then then we have to be shining always. We have to be always in that stage. So Baba keeps us giving signals every now and then, and today's signal is very, very deep and important, and it needs a lot of churning. And you see that there's why discontentment is there is because there's some expectations and disappointments that we thought that this will happen and it did not happen. But Baba is saying today that have an altruistic, and also Baba is making us have more importance on the attitude and vision. And sometimes we realize that, that in very subtle way, maybe my attitude or my vision is that way. And sometimes when we see someone, we have this kind of an attitude internally that, this soul is like this, and he or she keeps on doing things like this always. So this shows that there is some kind of discontentment with that soul's sanskars. So what could be the reason is there could be some kind of selfishness in that. So today Baba is talking about being an altruistic and very innocent attitude and vision.
बाबा तो इतने थक कह रहा है, हम तो कह देंगे ना.
Baba is saying that, and Baba was also saying that, that sometimes we say that we didn't want it to say, but it was in drama that, it suddenly came out of my mouth. So Baba is saying, don't even blame drama. But the attitude has to be so clean and clear. If in your intellect, in your mind, if you have made an impression in your mind, if you already created an impression about someone, that based on that impression that you have created in that mind, you'll have thoughts about them in that way. So check yourself, and then if you're contented souls are like very altruistic. One is effort and the other is effort. You need to make effort, and also you need to understand what God's touchings are. And we see some souls, they take care of others very well, but they don't take care of themselves. They'll clean everywhere, they'll make sure everything is clean, but when we go to their own rooms, they won't be keeping it that clean. So one selfishness is that you always think good about yourself and take care of yourself and don't think about others. And with that selfishness, we will perform vikarma. It's like, I should be so comfortable, I should be so happy, and then irrespective of what everyone is doing it. So it's not in that selfish motive.
जगदीश भाई
Jagdish Bhai, when Jagdish Bhai was there, we used to have a very healthy discussion with him during that time. But yes, we have to think about ourselves, but at the same time, how can we be altruistic? So today's topic is an altruistic, innocent attitude and vision. Contented souls would always experience everyone to be altruistic and innocent. Daddy used to always say that one who is contented would never complain that, it has become because of him or because of her. They won't blame anything or anyone. So Baba says they would never blame anyone for anything. It's a very big thing, right? They wouldn't blame the bestower of fortune. That, in my fortune itself, it is like that. God has given this in my fortune. Some people keep saying that. And then some people's intellect is very sharp. Some people's intellect is dull. Then they keep saying that God has given me a dull intellect or a sharp intellect. So before we coming to Gyan, we have seen on the path of bhakti that if anything sad happens, that is also from God. So today's signal Baba is saying that they wouldn't blame the bestower of fortune, nor the drama, or any person, or the karmic account of their body, thinking my body is like that anyway. They say that, those who teach Hatha Yoga and everything, she was saying that my shoulder is having a lot of pain. So that sister said, don't say that negative energy that, that this is paining or this is not working. This needs more attention or this needs more love. So these days Baba has taught us how to give sakash to the self, right? With your breath, like giving sakash to each and every part of your body. You have healing energy within, and we can heal ourselves. And then so Baba is saying those souls would not blame their karmic account of their body, thinking my body is like that anyway. They would always have an altruistic and innocent attitude and vision. If someone has done something, we always look like, a few people keep looking at them with the same vision, same attitude. Then how that soul will move, right? Move forward, or how you will help them move forward. So we have to change the way we have our attitude and vision towards them. And if you see that way, there is purity, there's very deep connection between purity, innocence, and altruistic. If there is anger for some reason, then at least in the subtle form, it takes a long time to go. And in the scriptures, it has been written that nothing has to enter your chit, which is like your intellect. Because once it enters your intellect and mind, then you'll start churning about it. And then, those churning of waste thoughts or that kind of negative energy will start. But Baba is telling, keep your chit clean. If you have to be content, be altruistic, and have an innocent attitude and
और दृष्टि।
vision.
अभी भी कई पूछते हैं वृत्ति क्या है।
Even now, some people ask me, like, what is attitude?
वृत्ति का कनेक्शन फिर इच्छा से भी है।
And we have
ये
a
चीज बहुत
connection
अच्छी
of attitude with desire.
है। पहले वृत्ति जाती है,
First, it will be the attitude.
फिर अपना बनाने का रहेगा, स्वार्थ आ जाता है।
And then we
सभी मनन चिंतन करेंगे,
so
बहुत
keep
गहरी बात
thinking
है।
about this. It's very deep, so keep
निस्वार्थ
churning about
निर्दोषी
it.
वृत्ति और दृष्टि होने से सदा संतुष्ट रहेंगे, सदा प्रसन्न
That how
रहेंगे।
with an altruistic, innocent attitude and vision, we can always be
जो
contented.
शिक्षा निर्दोषी की तो सभी शास्त्रों में बहुत, चाहे महात्मा बुद्ध को सुनो, चाहे क्राइस्ट की
Even
बातें
in
सुनो,
the path of devotion or the
है।
scriptures, you can see that, even Mahatma
पहले तो
Buddha
मेरे पास
or
होती थी,
the
कल मैं
others
कोई
also
भोला था
have been
ड्रामा में हो गया।
having this
बाबा कहता
altruistic.
फिर ड्रामा को भी संतोषी ठहरा, तो और ज्यादा सोचने की बात है।
So we also
तो
say
सभी
sometimes
विचार
this was in the
सकारात्मक
drama, this
करेंगे।
was in the drama. So we're kind of indirectly blaming the drama. So, that
Just
also
Murli
will not be,
revision
should not be there.
1969 से
So now we will listen to
ज्ञान
the
के रतन
Avyakta Murli
और
from
स्नेह के
1969,
मोती
Jewels of Knowledge, Pearls of Love.
अव्यक्तवाणी तारीख है 9 जनवरी 1975। इंतजार की
Date
बजाय
is
इंतजाम करो
9th
अपने
September 9th,
सर्वश्रेष्ठ एवं कल्याणकारी संकल्प
1975.
से
Make preparations
सर्वयुग
instead of waiting.
पावन
Have
सृष्टि
you
का
made all
सर्जन
three
करने
stages of
वाले
being,
सर्जनहार
incorporeal, angelic,
शिव
and
बाबा
corporeal,
बोले,
the same? Just
निराकारी
as you find it
आकारी
easy to
और
stabilize
साकारी
yourself in the
इन
corporeal
तीनों
form,
स्टेजेस को
so
समान
too
बनाया
do
है।
you experience it
जितना
just
साकारी
as
रूप में
easy
स्थित
to
होना
stabilize yourself in your
सहज अनुभव
angelic
करते हो,
form, which is your
उतना
perfect
ही
form,
आकारी
and
स्वरूप
in your eternal form,
अर्थात अपनी
which is the
संपूर्ण स्टेज
incorporeal stage.
व अपने अनादि
The
स्वरूप
corporeal form is your
निराकारी
original
स्टेज
form, and the
में स्थित
incorporeal
होना
form is your
सहज
eternal
अनुभव
form.
होता है।
Do you find it easier to stabilize
साकारी
yourself in the
स्वरूप
original
आदि
form
स्वरूप है,
or in your
निराकारी
eternal form?
अनादि स्वरूप
That
है।
is, the
तो
eternal
आदि
form and the
स्वरूप
corporeal
सहज
form
लगता है
is the form
या
that goes through
अनादि
the
रूप में
transformation.
स्थित होना सहज लगता
So,
है।
which form
वह
do
अविनाशी
you naturally
स्वरूप
have
है
the awareness of the
और
corporeal
साकारी
form,
स्वरूप
or do you
परिवर्तन
naturally
होने
have
वाला
the
स्वरूप
awareness of
है?
the incorporeal form,
तो
or
सहज कौन
do
सा
you
होना
have to make
चाहिए?
effort to remember them? What
साकारी
need is
स्वरूप
there
की
to bring into
स्मृति
your
स्वतः
awareness the
रहती
form
है
of what you are
या
and how you
निराकारी
are?
स्वरूप की
Have you not
स्मृति
it
स्वतः
become an
रहती है
embodiment of
या
remembrance?
स्मृति
Is this the
लानी
stage at
पड़ती
the
है?
end, or it is that
मैं
those who
जो हूँ
practice this
जैसा हूँ
for a long
उसको
time,
स्मृति में
long
लाने
period
की
of time,
क्या
are able to
आवश्यकता है?
attain this stage and
अब तक भी स्मृति
pass
स्वरूप
with
नहीं बनी
honor?
हो। क्या यह अंतिम स्टेज है या बहुत समय के अभ्यासी ही अंत में इस स्टेज को प्राप्त कर पास विद ऑनर बन सकेंगे?
At present, the
वर्तमान
thought
समय
in the mind of
पुरुषार्थियों
effort
के मन
makers is
में
that they will
यह
become
संकल्प
victorious,
उठना
free from
कि
obstacles,
अंत में
and the
विजयी
destroyers of
बनेंगे
obstacles at the end.
व अंत में
This thought
निर्विघ्न
is a royal form
और
of
विघ्न
carelessness,
विनाशक बनेंगे।
that is, it
यह
is a royal
संकल्प
form of
ही
Maya.
रॉयल रूप का
It creates
अविरल
an
है
obstacle to your becoming
अर्थात
complete.
रॉयल माया है।
This carelessness
यह
doesn't allow
संपूर्ण
you
बनने में
to
विघ्न
become
डालता है।
an embodiment of
यही
success or
अलबेलापन
an
सफलता
image
मूर्त
that is
और
equal
समान
to
मूर्त
the
बनने नहीं देता है।
Father's. To be
अच्छा, आगे की
continued.
मुरली कल सुनेंगे। ओम शांति।